G'day, Tom here. I've received my 2 robotic mowers I've been waiting for the past 4 to 6 weeks. And this one here has a robotic mower called a Monster. And this one has what's called the tank. And I'm just going to open this one up and just give you some footage of this one to start off with. I'll do this one later, but for now, we'll give you a quick sneak peek of them still in plastic. This is the Monster. It's a flail mower with a 1 meter cut. And this is the tank with an 800 millimeter cut. I'm interested to see what comes in the tool bag. That's the charger. Air filter, a fuse, a spark plug wrench, and another copy of the owner's manual for the engine. Now this is the remote control unit. It does say in the owner's manual that it comes with no oil in the machine, so we'll just check. But it's actually full. That's full of oil. So we should be good to start it up. This is a petrol engine. It's a Lonson twin cylinder. I'll put the specs up. I believe it's 25 or 27 horsepower. All right, so we got oil, we got petrol, we got battery power. So turn on the power switch. Turn on the emergency stop. Turn on the remote control. Close choke. 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 Adjust cutting height. Oh no, we're going, we've got to follow the arrows. So turn on the choke button, turn the key to start. Now I believe you can start this from the remote control as well, but this is a manual start. What was I supposed to? Leave it halfway. Choke out. Close the choke. Open it again. Now we're running. Adjust the cutting height. So I think you use this one here. Push that down. That's as high as the cutting height goes. That's about halfway. Yeah, sounds like a beast. Now you can here's the remote start setup. So power's on. Okay, so now if we press the green button, it won't start. So we might need a little bit of choke again, maybe. Okay, I'll try bringing the revs up a little bit. Okay, so that hasn't, that's still fine. Throttle. Press the green button. Ah, I know why. Key needs to be on. That's on slow speed. This is fast speed. Now, I haven't put the throttle up to full yet, so I'll just crank this up to maximum revs and we'll check it out. Oh, I still had the choke on. So I'll put a few specs up on different things about the machine, and also I'll get this out, testing it out on some blackberry bushes or grass or whatever I can find, small saplings and things, and give it a test and see how we go. And then I'll open up the tank. So this is the Monster 1000. Pretty impressed with how it looks, really tough, the build of it. Nice solid roll cage there, and looking forward to giving it a good test out.